Hello and welcome to my channel Arabic with Ali. Today's video is about words that you have to know as language learners. So let's get started. How do we say hello in Arabic? We say Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum or marhaba. So you have either way you say marhaba, marhaba or Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Good. Let's see what's next. How do we say goodbye in Arabic? We say مع السلامة. مع السلامة. It's your turn. مع السلامة. Great. How do we say yes in Arabic? نعم. نعم. Can you repeat? نعم. Perfect. How do we say no? لا. لا. Can you repeat? لا. لا. Good. And how to say thanks? We say شكرا. شكرا. Can you repeat? شكرا. شكرا. Good. And how do you say don't mention it or it's a pleasure or not at all in Arabic? It's just one word. عفوا. عفوا. So can you repeat? عفوا. عفوا. And how do you say excuse me? Okay. المعذرة. المعذرة. It's your turn. Can you repeat? المعذرة. Perfect. المعذرة. So this is the end of our video for today. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go and subscribe and share this channel with your friends to keep yourself updated. See you next time. Bye.